Hello guys, welcome to my channel. First of all, I'm very sorry for not uploading videos in this long time, but trust me, I was not getting time to edit the videos and all. But I promise you, regularly I'll try to make videos and will upload it. So my today's video is all about pedicure at home, how to clean your feet at home, how to take care of your feet nails, then how to scrub it, how to apply the cleansing cream, and then obviously we'll apply the mask also. So everything you can do by staying at home, especially it is very effective in this period of lockdown, because you cannot go out, and if you go out also now, maybe parlors are open. In my hometown Bhubaneswar, parlors are open. I don't know about Bangalore, but I will not prefer to go to parlor, especially in this time, because we don't know who is infected. I don't know about you people, but I'm very scared because of this virus. Yeah, you can save some money also, and you can do, yeah, a little effort you have to put definitely, but trust me, it will add more glow to your skin, to your feet skin, and you will feel that satisfaction after doing this pedicure. It is better effective, it is more effective than the parlor pedicures, because it is not having any chemicals. It is all homemade. Whatever things I will be using in this pedicure video, if you don't have anything, you're not getting, just let me know. I'll just personally message you the links, or else I'll just give it in the description box also. We'll use hydrogen peroxide, eating soda. You will get it anywhere in the grocery shop, and the pedicuring kit, that is important. Generally girls have it. If you don't, you can just buy it. It will be easily available online also. Guys also can try this if they want. Hydrogen peroxide, it will be available in the medicine shop easily, so you can get it. What else? Yeah, coconut oil also is very essential. That also you can get, whatever you are using for your head, that's the same. Then okay, then we'll just start the video. I'll just show you process by process how to do it and all. And if you're liking my channel, please do subscribe my channel, so that I will be getting also interest to make more videos of all these things. And yes, some of you have questioned me like why I'm not uploading any cooking videos, because I don't have tripod first. Then it is actually my kitchen is not that big, so that I will just keep the camera somewhere, and I'll make the video. It is very tiny kitchen. We are just two people are staying here, that's why the kitchen is too small, and it is very difficult to keep the camera somewhere. It will just fall. That's why I've just stopped making cooking videos. But I promise, definitely I'll share once I get the tripod and the mic. I'm planning to shifting the house also, so after that I'll start. Okay, then let's start the video, guys. Here I have taken some warm water in this bucket. This is a waste bucket actually. I will add hydrogen peroxide liquid. We'll add some 2 tablespoons of soda also, baking soda, and lemon juice. 1 tablespoon is fine. Do not throw the pill. We'll just add it in this water only. Later we'll use it, and add some shower gel or shampoo to it. And warm water means whatever heat your feet can bear, not more than that or not less than that. Now give it a nice mix and just soak your feet for some time. You can see how I'm rubbing my feet. Instead of bucket, you can take anything. Here I have a waste bucket, that's why I have taken it. See how I'm rubbing my feet. So we have to rub it for minimum 15 to 20 minutes, but after 10 minutes you just remove the extra hairs with the help of a razor. It will give a clean look to your feet. After cleaning the hairs, again you soak it for another 10 minutes. The more you will soak, no, the more it will be cleaner. So now I'll just take the soda, and with the help of the lemon peel, I'll just clean it. I'll just rub it on my feet and I'll clean it. Do it for minimum 3 to 4 minutes on each feet. I have just increased the speed, but do it slowly. Each and every part you have to clean nicely. Now again you wash it. You can see how dirty the water became. Now just throw this and take clean water. Here I have taken. Now just clean your feet nails properly. The nail corners, everything, and just cut your nails also. Here we have a scrubbing and masking and cleansing cream. Here for scrubbing I have taken 1 tablespoon of honey and 2 tablespoon of rice flour and coconut oil 1 tablespoon and little coffee. For cleansing cream, some curd I have added and 2 tablespoon of aloe vera gel and a little turmeric. For mask, again rice flour you need, turmeric you need, and some coconut oil. First we'll scrub, then we'll apply cleansing cream, and then we'll go to the masking part. So just give it a nice mix and just scrub it for 4 to 5 minutes. Do it well. Just massage it. You can see how I'm doing in the video. Now we have to clean our feet with the help of the clean water, cool water we have kept. You can see how I'm doing. Do it nicely. Nothing should left on your feet after this scrubbing, because we'll go to the next part. Now the under feet part, the dry skin we have to remove by the help of this pedicure kit. This will be easily available in the stationery shops. You can take it. Remove the dry skin properly and wash it. And after that, by using this part, just smoothen your feet. It will help you to smooth, because we have already taken out our dry skin, so it will help you to smoothen it. And now we'll just clean our face. You can use loofah also and apply some bath gel or shower gel, or shampoo is also fine. Clean it very nicely. Here I have increased the speed, but when you are doing, just apply it slowly so that it will not hurt you. The nails also you have to clean it like that. Then wash your feet and the kit also in the same water. Just throw the water and keep some more clean water. Whenever you feel like the water is getting dirty, just throw it and get cool water. This is the cleansing cream. I have not added milk here. Just massage it on your feet for some 5 to 10 minutes. It will give you extra shine on your feet. The back part also, don't leave. You can see how I'm doing the massage. It is a very relaxing process actually. After massage you can feel the relaxation. I'm applying on my half feet. If you want, you can apply on your full feet also. By the same process. You can just wash your feet now, and we'll go to the masking part. Our mask is ready. I'll apply and I'll show you how it looks. See, just take a waste cloth so that you can just keep your feet on that. Let it won't be a mess. Now I have cleaned the mask after keeping it for 15 minutes and I'm just drying my feet. We'll apply some moisturizer, and I have forgot to shoot that under your feet. Just add some coconut oil. Now we'll apply some nail paint on my nails. I have this many nail polishes. Generally I prefer orange or pink or red, cherry red actually, or maroon on my nails, especially when it comes to my feet. If you want, I will make a separate video of my nail polish collections also. I have so many, but here are some. This is a lovely color, I'll tell you, from Shambar. And this color bar nail polish is also very good. You can apply this. This is of Lakme. This is also very good. I like it on my feet nails. Then what else? This is also, I really like it, this color. Okay, just let me know on the comment box which is your favorite color and which color you want me to apply on my feet nails. I have chosen this. This is of Faces Canada, maroon color. I love this color. So I'm going to apply this and I'll show you after that how it looks. Now I have applied the single coat and it looks lovely. We'll dry it for some time. Again we'll apply another coat also. Now it's completed and you can see, and it's done. You can see how lovely it looks. Please do try this at home. I know you will love this. The extra part of the nail polish is which is around my skin, that you can keep it for 1 day and it will automatically remove, or else if you want you can just remove it with the help of the nail remover. So now you have already seen the pedicure procedure. I hope you liked it. As I already said, if you are having long nails on your feet, then you have to take care of your feet more. But I don't like keeping nails on my feet. I don't know why I don't like it, but I feel very scared, like it will break, it will give me pain or something. So my feet are always clean without nails. So if you have having nails, then generally you need to spend some more time on your feet. But trust me, it will be effective for sure. Oh God, yeah, sun. And thank you so much for all the love you people are pouring on me. I never expected it from all of you. Whatever views I'm getting, whatever subscribers I'm getting, I'm happy with that. Yeah, of course I want to get more subscribers, that's true, but I have patience also. Will keep on making videos. Hope you people will like it. Okay then, bye, love you all.